Hello, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 7. Today we're going to be talking about subtracting across zeros. So what we're going to look at today is sometimes the subtraction involves minuends. Remember, that's the first number in a subtraction sentence that have zeros. So let's jump right in. All right, let's look at example 1. Each fourth grade class has a goal to collect 5,100 pennies for charity. How many more pennies do the fourth graders in Mr. Blake's class need to reach their goal? All right, so what we're going to do is we need to find 5,100 minus 3,520. Okay, so first off, I'm going to line up all of my digits, and I'm going to start by subtracting the ones. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2, we can't do that for the tens, right? So what I need to do is I need to regroup 100 as 10 tens. So I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. Hello, Mr. Friend the Hundreds. Can I get 10 tens? Why, yes, you can. Thank you. I don't have any, so now I have 10. And our friends, Mr. Hundreds, have 0. Okay, now I have to subtract hundreds. I have 0 hundreds minus 5 hundreds. I don't have enough. So I have to go next door and get 10 more from Mr. Thousands. I'm going to regroup 1,000 as 10 hundreds. I don't have any hundreds, so now I have 10. The thousands place has 4. 10 hundreds minus 5 hundreds is 5. Oops, I forgot to subtract my tens place. 10 minus 2 is 8. My tens. Now I need to do my thousands. 4 thousands minus 3 thousands is 1,000. So Mr. Blake's class needs 1,580 more pennies. Let's check. So I'm going to take my difference down here, 1,580, and add it to my subtrahend. And my sum should be my minuend. Let's check. 0 and 0 makes 0. 8 and 2 makes 10. I'm regrouping to 100. 1 and 5 makes 6. Well, it makes 11. Add 5 more makes 11. Regrouping. 1 and 1 makes 2. 2 and 3 makes 5. 5,100 is our sum. Okay, we check out. We did subtraction first, checked with addition, and it worked. Example 2. There were 30,090 fans at the stadium on Saturday. The next Saturday, there were 22,977 fans. How many more fans were at the stadium on the first Saturday than the second Saturday? So we're going to be subtracting. Let's see here. First, we start by subtracting our ones. 0 minus 7. I can't do it, so I need to go next door and get 10 more. Regroup my 9 tens. We're borrowing 1. I had 0 ones, so now I have 10. Right? I took 1 10 away and I ungrouped it into 10 ones. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 9. Oh no, I can't do it. Let's go next door. But look, my thousands place has 0 thousands. So what am I going to do? I'm going to regroup 1 10,000 as 10 thousands. Okay, that's kind of a confusing statement. So I have 1 10,000 here. I'm going to regroup it. Now I'm going to have 2. And so then my thousands place is going to have 10 thousands. Okay, but that didn't help me in the hundreds place, so I still need to, now I need to ungroup my 10 thousands, so now I have 9, and make it 10 hundreds. Now I have a 10 here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So I get 7,113. Now, I know I didn't fill out all this stuff. That's because we did it all over here. So we should be good there. There were 7,113 more fans than on the first Saturday. And if I were to do a quick estimate, I would round that one to be about 30,000. Minus, I would round this one to be 23,000. Right? Because we've got 22,900, so that'd be 23,000. If I subtract that, I'd get 7,000. And 7,000 is so close to our real answer that I know we got it right. Yes. Now let's do a little bit of guided practice here. 3 minus 4, I can't do it. Let's go next door and get 10 more. Oh, look at that, 2 zeros in a row. So I have to go all the way over to the thousands place. Ungroup. And now I have 10 hundreds. Ungroup my 10 hundreds. Now I have 9 here and 10 here. Ungroup my 10 tens to give me 13 ones. 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's check using addition this time. Let's take our difference. 849 plus our subtrahend, 1,154. See what we get. 9 and 4 makes 13. 4 and 5 makes 9, and 1 more up on top makes 10. 8 and 2 makes 10. And 1 and 1 makes 2. 2003, and that was our minuend. Yes, we did it. Here we go. Let's check number 2. Look at this. I've got 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's go to the 8,000. I'm going to ungroup it. Now I have 10 hundreds. Let's ungroup our 10 hundreds to give us 10 tens. And let's do another trade here. I've got to take away 1 10 to make 10 ones. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. And there we have it, 4,498. Now this is what I'm going to do for this one just because it's so, sticks out to me a lot. That's 8,000 already. We don't even have to round that one. 3,502 is basically 3,500. Okay, so if I'm subtracting here, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 0 minus 5 can't do it. Need to ungroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4,500. And look how close that is to our actual answer. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Let's do some subtracting across zeros. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. We'll see you later.